Welcome back to the channel Finding Jeremy and Sebastian. In this travel vlog, we've made our way to the beautiful province of Bohol, a short 1.5 hour flight from Manila. Hit that like and subscribe button and join us as we discover more of the Philippines.
And a very good morning from the beautiful island of Bohol here in the Philippines. This is our first time here, and more specifically we're on Alona Beach, which is really close to the airport and was really easy to get to. This place is gorgeous, white sandy beaches, the ocean is clear, and really excited to enjoy this place over the next 3 days. So we're staying at the Ivy Wall Resort, which is part of the Best Western chain, and this is right here on Alona Beach. Let's go and check it out.
We booked into a deluxe room on level 3 of the Best Western Ivy Wall Resort. Our room was spacious and had views of the pool and ocean down below. The resort was really comfortable and the staff were helpful and attentive, making our stay very special. After checking in, we spent some time admiring the view and headed out to the beach again for a swim to cool down in the emerald waters of Alona Beach.
So we've just finished with our swim. It's about midday and we are looking for somewhere to eat and just strolling along the beach here in Alona. There's lots of restaurants and lots of shady trees. It's beautiful.
We have come down for a walk down Alona Beach and we've come across the Pyramid Beach Resort. Now this place is surrounded by trees and palm trees and also has all these chairs around in the beach. So we're going to have lunch here and have ordered a beef Thai salad.
So Sebastian has gotten a drink called calamansi, which is like a Philippine lime or orange, and it's native to the area and it seems to be on everything. It's actually really nice. A little bit on the sour side, but you put a little dulzante, a little sweetener in it, and it's good to go. So we've just stepped off of the beach and now we're heading up on the road that just goes further into the town, and there's more shops and restaurants here. So it's evening and we've headed out onto the town to get something to eat. Now the town has really come alive. This is the best time to come out and see everything. All the shops are open and there's just so many people out. It's fantastic.
So we have actually ventured out of Alona Beach and we've come to a Mexican restaurant called Dos Locos. It was 500 meters from the beach and it looks very interesting. So we have ordered 2 burritos with chicken.
All right, the food has arrived and we have these 2 beautiful burritos. We're just gonna dig in and salud with my cerveza negra or black beer.
The next day, we got up early and organised a day trip to Balikasang and Virgin Islands, which is just a 30-minute boat ride from Alona Beach. Balikasang is a coral island with turquoise blue water and white sand. The island is a marine sanctuary and one of the best places to scuba dive and snorkel in the Philippines.
So we have commenced our tour and our first location is Balikasang Island, which is about 30 minutes outside of Alona Beach. It was just me and Seb on one of these little boats here, really smooth, and on first impressions, crystal clear water and white sandy beaches, absolutely beautiful.
After docking on Balikasang, we walked through the small settlement on the island to collect our snorkeling equipment. From here we headed to the shore, took some photos and met our travel guide who helped us put on our snorkeling equipment and took us to the reef on a small traditional fishing boat.
So we're just paddling out of Balikasang Island and we are off to do some snorkeling. The waters are very crystal clear underneath us here. We can see right down to the bottom, and it's just me and Seb, so love this intimate little tour.
The coral reef off Bali Kasang was truly special. The water was clear and the surrounding reef was actually quite large and deep in many parts. The conservation efforts in Bali Kasang have contributed to the preservation of the reef and the abundance of marine life. There were so many colourful fish down there, and swimming alongside them was a special experience we won't forget.
So we have just finished snorkeling and my everything was fantastic. There was just so many fish and just corals and all of that. And because it's so sunny, you could see right down and it was absolutely beautiful. Really, really enjoyed that. But it did take a little while to actually get used to the use of the snorkels. I kept choking myself, but we got there in the end.
There were lots of different fishes in the actual sea, a few jellyfishes as well. I got stung a couple of times, but we saw Nemo and like Jeremy mentioned, very nice coral. I would dare say much nicer coral than what we saw in the Great Barrier Reef.
So right now we are waiting for our lunch to come. There's all these little restaurants and shops and all of that which are just kind of nestled under the shade here along by the beach. And yeah, we're just waiting on our food to come, and I am sipping this beautiful coconut. Absolutely amazing. Alright, off and away to Virgin Island.
Virgin Island, known as Puntode Island, is a small sandbar located 15 minutes from Bali Kasang. The island rises during low tide and is surrounded by shallow turquoise waters, making for a great photo opportunity. We docked for 30 minutes, walked around, swam and talked to other tourists before returning back to Alona Beach.
So that was our tour of Bali Kasang and Virgin Island, and it was really worthwhile going to those two places. It wasn't a very long tour, but it just got us out of Alona Beach a little bit to see more of the surroundings, and it was beautiful.
We had an awesome time. We also met some of the locals as well. We were able to talk to them and they were telling us what they do and where they were from, so it was really good to sort of speak to some Filipino people.
Now from here we're going to be traveling on to Cebu, which is our next destination. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this travel vlog, and if you liked it, like and subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in our next travels in Cebu.